Indian Premier League IPL 2026 Chennai Super Kings team official final squad. Number 1 Rituraj Gaikwad, batsman. Number 2 MS Dhoni, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 3 Sanju Samson, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 4 Dewald Brevis, batsman. Number 5 Ayush Matre, batsman. Number 6 Kartik Sharma, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 7 Sarfaraz Khan, batsman. Number 8 Urvil Patel, wicketkeeper batsman. Number 9 Anshul Kamboj, all-rounder. Number 10 Jamie Overton, all-rounder. Number 11 Ramkrishna Ghosh, all-rounder. Number 12 Prashant Veer, all-rounder. Number 13 Matthews William Short, all-rounder. Number 14 Aman Khan, all-rounder. Number 15 Jack Falkos, all-rounder. Number 16 Shivam Dube, all-rounder. Number 17 Khalil Ahmed, bowler. Number 18 Noor Ahmed, bowler. Number 19 Mukesh Choudhury, bowler. Number 20 Nathan Ellis, bowler. Number 21 Shreyas Gopal, bowler. Number 22 Gurjaprit Singh, bowler. Number 23 Akil Hossain, bowler. Number 24 Matt Henry, bowler. Number 25 Rahul Chahar, bowler.